Generally, all the products that require the Quickprime Plus are the dressing and detail tapes that we use. So if you have to unfortunately do a localised repair, you will use a tape to do that repair. It will require the use of the Quickprime Plus to prepare the area ready for the localised repair being carried out. The same again, we would use the Quickprime Plus where we have to use special tapes to waterproof awkward and intricate details such as an external corner round a roof light or the external corner round a chimney. Also, if we had to waterproof round a stench pipe, we would use the Quickprime Plus and an uncured tape to wrap round the pipe to create the waterproof seal.